everyone. I am excited to see you at the Digital Fashion Online Summit, which will be March 28th and 29th. For those of you who do not know who I am Justin Haynes. I am international designer and tailor of Justin H, where I specialize in men's, women's, and children's clothing. We have something special and exciting for you on March 28th at the networking party. I will release my first interactive fashion film, USA and China. This is going to be huge. This is the first in technology to have an interactive fashion film. So we want to see you there on March 28th at the networking party so you can be a part of this huge unveiling of this fashion film. I am excited to have Andrew Maxwell, who will be creating this for us, and I'm thankful to Aminet for the opportunity to launch such a innovative fashion film. Thank you so very much. I can't wait to see you there.